life will news.
Wait. Have y'all seen Sophia?
No, have you?
No, I haven't.
Where is Sophia?
I got the door. Okay. Hey guys, sorry I was late.
Where's her broadcast shirt?
Doesn't she know this is a normal broadcast?
I thought this was supposed to be our festive broadcast.
Oh yeah, we could do that.
Yeah. Wait, but then what do we do next?
Come on, I'll show you.
Wait for me!
Guys, does anybody else have this note?
Yeah.
Class is in the gym. Leave your stuff here, Mr. Matisoff. I know, I guess we'll go to the gym then.
Oh, okay.
Hello, I'm the Gingerbread Master Lady, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on a scavenger hunt to find your broadcast class. But first, I have to split you up into groups and make you do the first challenge.
Okay.
I call Solomon! Yeah!
Okay, since now you made your teams, the first challenge is to make a free throw from this line.
I'll go first! I'll go first!
Ready, go! Where do you go when you have to get work done? Well, you're on a time crunch. Go. Run.
Oh.
Oh, shoot. Aw. It's okay, we got it next time, Solomon. But it's your turn now.
Where do you go when you have to get work done? Well, you're on a time crunch. Go. Run.
Come on, Solomon, it's so obvious. Oh my gosh, just follow me.
Welcome to the second challenge. Come on in. In this challenge, you're going to be trying to guess the order of the objects in the box. Fastest time wins.
Ready, go. 3 right. 1 right. 2 right. You got it. 22 seconds.
I can beat that.
Ready, go. One correct. 0 correct. 0 correct. You got it. 33 seconds.
Since you finished your last challenge, Follow me back to class to get your reward.
What took you all so long?
You said that class was a new gym.
No, I didn't.
But the sticky note said, where's the gingerbread master lady?
Ho, ho, ho!
Today we're making hot chocolate cookies, but I can't hear, Spencer can't see, and Sophia can't talk. Okay, so Sophia preheat the oven to 350. And
I'll do the butter thing.
yeah, let me see what they mean by creaming butter.
Okay.
Spencer, I don't want you touching these bowls because of glass. 3/4. 3/4 cup butter. Soft. This butter isn't soft enough. What? Put it in the microwave? No, it's too late. We'll use a stand mixer. Where is everything? Okay, no, not there. Can you get like measuring cups, Sophia? I don't know where they are. Y'all, wait! Yo, wait, I found it!
What?
I found it!
Found what?
This stand mixer. Oh, maybe like that.
Okay, y'all, we had to move spots, and Sophia had to take her tape off because she wouldn't stop talking, and it ripped off.
Oh,
Let's
now
begin.
we're trying to mix this, but I'm trying to cut the butter so it's softened more.
It's all chunky.
What did you say?
It's all chunky.
I don't know what she said. What else do we need to do?
We need to whisk the eggs and add the
But we have
vanilla
to mix
extract.
this stuff first. Oh yeah, could someone guess?
Who is that?
So,
Oh.
Spencer, the hand mixer.
What?
Don't start it yet. I'm still trying to add butter chunks in.
Wait, is it like that? Is it like that? Is that how I'm supposed to hold it?
Put it down. Sophia, help her.
Okay.
Hold the bowl.
Wait, oh. I got this. Wait.
Can you put sugar in the microwave? Wait, let me look it up.
Like in creme brulee. Why do we need to put it in the microwave? Okay, y'all. She's.
What?
Okay.
Oh, don't do that.
Sorry, I was trying to explain what we were gonna do.
What again?
So we're gonna crack these eggs, and we're gonna put them in a bowl, and we're gonna mix them with the vanilla extract while she works on.
We're supposed
Whatever
to crack it
that
in the
is.
same bowl as the butter and stuff.
We are.
Yeah.
What's the dry ingredients, like the chocolate chips?
No, like the baking powder, the cocoa, that stuff.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, Sophia, you can't talk. I'm scared to let her crack the egg.
I got this.
Okay,
Wait, where's the bowl? Right
Wait.
here? Wait, where's the bowl?
this is the egg. Okay, here.
Oh, okay.
Wait, she didn't get eggshells in it.
I'm gonna put this. Oh, Sophia.
I need vanilla. Okay, I'll be right back.
Wait, do I put this in this bowl or like the mix, like the other one?
I think we saved the
That one?
y'all.
This one? This one? This one?
Wait,
this one. So that's
I
yes.
need the vanilla. Mix it in a different bowl. Why did the bowls you get so small? Flour. Okay, I swear it was like right here. Unless someone threw it away. Sophia, where do you put the flour?
Bro, this is all Sophia's fault. You suck.
Oh shoot, I found it. Okay. I found the flour.
Where is it? What?
I have to
This is this.
and then
Is
it's okay.
is that yes or no? Okay.
Did we preheat the oven? Me? I told you to preheat it to 375. Sophia, preheat the oven to 350.
Search Kroger for.
I'll talk.
Whoa.
Take the top out.
Okay, this is how our cookies turned out. They're not perfect, but we did try.
Turn it up, let's go, oh yeah. Psycho Radio, every beat makes you go. Psycho Radio, here we come, let's roll. Psycho Radio, stay tuned, don't go.
Now it's time for everyone's favorite game show segment, Baffled and Bean Boozled.
Welcome to Right versus Left. In this competition, students will do multiple challenges to test which hand is better, right or their left. In our first challenge, we have a student who will try writing with his right and his left hand. He'll write a simple phrase. Our phrase today is Merry Christmas. In our next challenge, this student will try throwing a football with his right versus his left hand.
Now we're going from football all the way to the other side of the field, soccer. Now from the field to the court, let's go to volleyball.
Hi, I'm your host Freddie. Today we're doing Bean Boozled trivia. Today we got Grayson, Rizvik, Miss Canossi, and Miss T. The rules are simple. If you answer a question correctly, you get 2 points. If you spit out a bean, minus 1 point for your team. Let's begin. What is a word, phrase, number, or other sequence of characters that reads the same backwards as forwards?
Oh, palindrome.
Correct.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, you're gonna walk.
Oh god. That is banana smoothie or dead fish.
Ew.
Oh my god, I don't eat seafood. Is that this one? Yeah. Banana smoothie. Yeah! Yay!
I feel like he has an advantage.
I know.
What is acrophobia, a fear of?
Spiders.
That is arachnophobia. That's
No.
correct. Acrophobia, a very common fear.
Off your eyes.
Correct.
I'm scared. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. The same one, banana smoothie or dead fish. Is it like have the red on it?
Yeah.
Like that?
Like that one.
I'm scared.
Don't put it out.
No!
Do not. We're already losing. We're gonna go negative. We're not doing that.
Alright.
No, yes, this one.
This is so
Alright. How many dots appear on a pair of dice?
total?
Yeah, a pair of dice.
If they get it wrong, do they?
No, if they get it wrong, you.
Oh wait, no, I got the negative.
Yeah, you wait.
Wait. She hasn't guessed. She hasn't guessed.
Yes,
21?
incorrect.
You're watching Psych 4 News. We are 6 houses, 1 storm, all the news. Thank you for watching Psych 4 News. We are 6 houses, 1 storm, all the news. And now on air and online 24/7.